Energy-efficient windows Dallas, Texas, are a crucial investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing energy-efficient windows, Dallas residents can enjoy significant savings on their energy bills. Window insulation is a key factor in enhancing the energy performance of homes in Dallas. Proper window insulation helps prevent drafts and reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling. Dallas Window Insulation Services offer a range of solutions, including window sealing and window weatherization, to ensure maximum efficiency. Thermal windows in Dallas are an excellent choice for those seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These windows are designed with advanced materials that provide superior insulation, reducing heat loss and gain. Thermal windows. Dallas homeowners often feature low-E glass, which reflects heat and UV rays, further enhancing energy savings. Low-E glass Dallas options are popular for their ability to improve window efficiency. This type of glass is coated with a thin layer of metal that reflects infrared light, keeping heat inside during the winter and outside during the summer. Low-E glass is a smart choice for Dallas residents looking to enhance their home's energy performance. Double-glazed windows in Dallas offer enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These windows consist of 2 panes of glass with a layer of gas in between, providing superior thermal performance. Dallas double-glazed windows are ideal for those seeking to reduce energy consumption and improve indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows Dallas residents install can significantly lower energy bills. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer and improve insulation, making them a cost-effective solution for energy-conscious homeowners. Energy-saving windows in Dallas are available in various styles and materials to suit any home. Window replacement Dallas TX services provide homeowners with the opportunity to upgrade to more energy-efficient options. Replacing old, inefficient windows with new insulated glass Dallas options can lead to substantial energy savings. Dallas window replacement experts can help homeowners choose the best windows for their needs. Insulated glass. Dallas options are designed to provide superior thermal performance. These windows feature multiple layers of glass and gas fills that enhance insulation and reduce heat transfer. Insulated glass is a popular choice for Dallas homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Dallas window upgrades can transform a home's energy performance. Upgrading to eco-friendly windows. Dallas options can reduce energy consumption and improve indoor comfort. Dallas window upgrades often include features like low-E glass and double glazing for maximum efficiency. Energy-efficient windows Dallas homeowners choose are designed to minimize environmental impact. These windows are made from sustainable materials and are highly energy efficient, reducing the need for heating and cooling. Eco-friendly windows in Dallas are an excellent choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. Window installation. Dallas services ensure that new windows are properly fitted and sealed for optimal performance. Professional window installation is crucial for maximizing the energy efficiency of new windows. Dallas window installation experts can help homeowners achieve the best results.